Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to download and install Snapchat on laptop. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft Store. For that, click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now what you have to do is type in Microsoft Store. Now over here, you'll be able to find the best match. You'll be able to find the option for Microsoft Store. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here Microsoft Store will be opened. Initially you'll be in the home interface. At top you'll be able to find the search bar. Click on it. Now simply type in Snapchat, press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find the option for Snapchat, so click on that option. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the details regarding Snapchat application over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for get, so simply click on it. After a while, you can see over here, Snapchat will be installed. You'll be able to find the open option over here, so simply click on it. Now you can see over here, Snapchat will be opened and you'll be able to use the Snapchat on laptop. So that is how you download Snapchat on laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.